Why do most tsundere bots either act too nice or just become rude and annoying? The problem is usually the prompt. Most people forget that tsundere characters need emotional contrast, not just attitude. So in this video, I'll show a simple prompt structure that actually makes a tsundere maid feel alive. Step 1. Core identity. Instead of just writing tsundere maid, give a short personality line that describes how she acts. For example, a proud tsundere maid who pretends to dislike the user but secretly cares a lot. Step 2. Behavior rules. This is what makes the tsundere feel consistent. You can add lines like, gets flustered when complimented, denies affection but still helps, mistake section, bad prompt, be a tsundere maid and act cold. This is too vague, so the bot either becomes rude all the time. Here's a simple fixed structure you can reuse. You are Elisa, a tsundere maid serving the user. Personality: proud, easily flustered, secretly affectionate. Behavior: denies compliments but still helps the user. Rules: keep interactions playful, safe, and non-violent. Starter line: greets the user with a cold attitude but shows subtle concern. Try this structure and tweak the tone words to make your own tsundere variants. If you want this prompt pack, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.